Discover the secrets of earning thousands monthly with simple YouTube Shorts. Learn how to start your own successful faceless YouTube channel that generates serious income. This tutorial is unlike any other you've seen before. Avoid the common pitfalls that prevent monetization even after reaching the watch hours and subscriber requirements. I'll reveal the changes you need to make to get accepted into the YouTube monetization system. Plus, I'll share you a viral hack for your shorts that no one else is talking about. Get ready to learn these exclusive hacks without spending a dime. Want to stand out on YouTube? It all starts by choosing the right subject or niche. In this demonstration, I'll use my passion for football for this video. I'll show you how to train ChatGPT to generate captive quiz questions. These questions will keep your audience engaged with a two-part structure that sparks curiosity. Get ready to learn this exciting technique and level up your quiz game. To get ChatGPT to work at its best, you want to make sure it knows what you want from it and what it should give you. So, I'll start off with, I want to create a quiz for soccer fans around the world to test their knowledge on soccer. Do you understand? We can see ChatGPT understands what we want, so we can move on. Now, I want these quiz questions to revolve around topics like penalties, free kicks, and winners of competitions, catering to a specific target audience. Now, the videos we want to create will consist of 3 parts. We want to start with a theme such as quiz questions on penalties, free kicks quiz questions, or winners of competition quiz questions. Then we'll have the first part of the quiz question followed by the second part. I'll ask ChatGPT to categorize the quiz questions in an Excel-like format. This step will prove crucial later in the video. ChatGPT only gives us around 5 quiz questions at a time, so we can keep asking him for more so we can get our 100 quiz questions for each category. So now we've repeated this for all the quiz questions and have 100 for each category. I've gathered all the questions we want to use and copied and pasted these questions into an Excel spreadsheet. I've generated over 300 unique quiz questions with the help of ChatGPT. Now let's head over to Canva.com, the ultimate platform for creative design. Once you're there, click on the mobile video on the left hand side or use the search box to find it. In the design section, you'll find a variety of different templates to choose from. You can search for templates based on your project. In my case, I'm looking for soccer templates. As you can see, there are plenty of templates to match my description. You want something that will stand out. Canva offers free and paid videos. I will use this one here as it's free. The goal here is to match the quiz question of those YouTube shorts you'll be serving to the viewer. I'm going to put the theme text like soccer quiz at the top of the screen here. The quiz question itself will go in the middle, and at the bottom I'll add the YouTube channel where the shorts will be added. One quick tip is to ensure that the theme text is a little bit bigger. To do this, go to the position option in the top toolbar and click on center. Let's put in a question to see how it looks. The question is a bit difficult to read. The white text on the green looks good on my video here. However, if it doesn't, you can add a background to the quote in the effects section and add to the top toolbar, and you can choose from a various colours. I think white works fine for me here. Additionally, I'll adjust the quote a bit to make it look better. As you know, quiz questions are made up of 2 different parts, so I'll copy and paste the existing text block to have a second part of the quiz question. I'll drag it down for now and paste the second part of the quiz question here. One thing to notice is that the template has animations added to all the text blocks, but for this kind of video I don't want animations, so I'll remove them from the text blocks. Here is the first hack, how to get the video more views. The style of the video I want to make consists of 2 parts. The first 9 seconds displays the quiz question. Then there's a 1-second pause, followed by the second part of the quiz answer. which has the duration of around 1.5 seconds or thereabouts. This duration allows the viewer to read it quickly but potentially missing the answer, which entices them to watch the video again, resulting in a greater watch time and YouTube pushing the video to more people. Most tutorials will not offer this hack, yet watch time and engagement is key to getting the shorts to go viral. To set the timings correctly, right click on the quiz question and select Show Timing. This will show the duration and placement of the text in the video. We want the first half of the quiz question to be 9 seconds long, followed by a 1 second pause. Then, at the 10-second mark, we will start the quiz answer. The answer should only take about 1.5 seconds. Finally, we want the video to end. Drag the end of the video to the end of the second part of the quiz answer. Now we want to center the second part of the quiz answer on the screen. And we're done. Let's have a look how it looks. Perfect. Our video template is ready to go. However, now 99.9% of tutorials won't teach you how to get monetized. I will, and it is also the second hack. It's said YouTube and other platforms will not monetize AI content like this, which is not completely true. You need to add your own unique touches. This doesn't have to take much time. Remember, we made these 3 categories earlier on? Well, I've recorded some audio just on my phone for each category. For instance, for the winning of competitions, I've recorded, "These are the best team to ever win this competition. Do you know the answer?" Isn't that a little controversial? Yes, and it's meant to be. That's the hack. Every other fan is now going to be heading to the comments section to completely disagree with your statement. That engagement is going to push your video out to even more people. How do you think these controversial characters online get the videos to go viral every single time? Being controversial. Let's drag the audio clip onto the timeline and move it right to the start. So now we have our 2 hacks covered, and you know all your work is not going to waste. Now, here comes the real magic, and it's not the kind you see in a Harry Houdini show. We're going to insert a database of quiz questions and answers into Canva, so we can get hundreds of different videos with just a few clicks. Go to the Apps section on the left hand side of the menu and search for Bulk Create. Select Enter Data manually and clear all the data what is currently there. Now copy your Excel list of quiz questions and answers. I'll start with 30 for now, but you'll see why soon, and paste them into Canva along with their names. As you can see, here we have 30 quiz questions and answers in place. Click on Done. Next, we want to connect the different pieces of text to the correct parts of the video. Right click on the text in the video and go to Connect Data. Now select the right piece of data you want to be shown in that text field. For the first part of the quiz question, we want to select Quiz Question. For the second half, we want to select Quiz Answer for the quiz answers. Once you've connected all the data pieces, place the second part in the center of the video and we're ready to go. Now all the data pieces have a purple check mark on the left, indicating we're ready to generate the video. Click on Continue and then click on Generate 30 pages, and voila! We now have 30 YouTube shorts with different quiz questions. The only downside is that all the videos have the same background. While you can change this manually, going through 300 videos would be quite a task. But don't worry, I have a better solution. Let's go back to the previous page and start over at step 1 for Bulk Create. Once again, select Enter Data manually and clear the data table. Now go back to your Excel sheet and copy the names of the rows. Paste them into Canva. Now go back to the Excel sheet and copy the next 30 quiz questions. Paste them into Canva and then select Done. As you can see, all the data pieces have a purple check mark, so we can click on Continue. But before we hit that Generate button, let's change up the background. Head back to the Elements section and search for video that catches your eye. Once you find one, click click on the three dots in the top of the video and select Replace Background. Keep in mind that the video will have the same length of the original one that's selected, so if it's a 2-minute video, you'll have to adjust the video length accordingly. Now let's head back to the bulk curate and then select Generate 30 pages. 30 more videos are coming right up. The joys of video editing, right? It's like painting a masterpiece, except instead of a brush, I'm using my mouse, and instead of a canvas, I'm using a screen. But hey, we're generating pages of mindless videos with random quiz questions. Once the generation is complete, you can head over to the Share option and select Download. Choose your desired quality and then select Download pages as separate files. And voila, you're done. Now, all that's left is repeat these steps 8 more times to have a total of 300 amazing YouTube shorts. Let me know what I should do with all these shorts. Maybe you should post them all in 30 days to see what happens. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas. And of course, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe because there is definitely more coming like this. Thanks very much for watching this tutorial on creating amazing YouTube shorts with Canva. I hope you found this helpful and inspiring. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to creating engaging content. Get creative, experiment and have fun. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comment section below, and don't forget to share your own creative ideas with the community.